The father of Zahriya Moreno speaking with News 4 Tucson today. Moreno is the young southern Arizona woman who died following an incident with her boyfriend last month, leading to his arrest on charges of domestic violence. But earlier this week, those charges were dropped. News 4 Tucson's Eric Fink spoke with Zahriya's grieving father today. He joins us now live downtown outside of the Pima County Attorney's Office with more on what her father had to say. Eric.
Sean, Zahriya's father is a local fire captain here. He says he is very disappointed that the charges were dropped against the man that he believes is responsible for the death of his daughter. But he also tells me that he believes eventually justice will prevail.
It's the darkest place I've ever been.
Captain Robert Moreno is grieving the loss of his 22-year-old daughter Zahriya. Her death last month came 3 years after the family lost her twin brother in a motorcycle accident.
When I'm by myself, it's, as you can imagine, it's absolutely awful.
Only days ago, the Pima County Attorney's Office dismissed charges against Zahriya's boyfriend, 25-year-old Angelito Olivas. This dad says he must fight his pain to keep going.
I can't subside to my pain, to my hurt. Mom nor I can do that because we are on a mission.
That mission is to get justice for Zahriya. As we first reported, court documents say Olivas told Pima County deputies that on the morning of August 12th, he and Moreno had an altercation near her mom's home on Olden Road. Olivas claims Moreno jumped on his car while he was driving away. And according to Olivas, Zahriya fell off, injuring herself, which Moreno finds suspicious.
I can't imagine why she would have done something of that nature.
Olivas' lawyer, Christopher Saleppi, spoke to us earlier this week. He welcomes further investigation.
I believe it will show that what happened that morning, while undoubtedly tragic, was not criminal. And that the gathering of further evidence will only serve to further solidify the decision of the Pima County Attorney's Office to dismiss these charges.
Robert Moreno believes the county attorney's office will ultimately charge Olivas once again. And he knows the road may be long.
We are confident that facts will be uncovered and that Angelito will answer for what he has done to our daughter.
And the county attorney's office here could refile those charges against Angelito Olivas some point down the road. That's why they dismissed this case earlier this week without prejudice as the investigation into what happened continues. But only about an hour or so over the phone with me, Christopher Saleppi, the attorney for Angelito Olivas, says if the Pima County Attorney's Office charges or takes this case up again, he says he believes they will lose. We're live downtown tonight. I'm Eric Fink, News 4 Tucson.
Thank you, Eric. Tucson.